2025 is almost over, and you know what hurts the most? Not the failures, not the mistakes, but the fact that deep down, you know you could have done more. But listen carefully. Your story is not over. Your comeback starts today, and these 7 habits will completely change your 2026. Habit 1. Control your first 10 minutes. If you can't control the first 10 minutes of your day, you can't control your life. No phone, no scrolling, just silence, breathing, and intention. The world shouldn't enter your mind before you do. Habit 2. 1 hour of deep focus. 1 hour of deep, uninterrupted focus is more powerful than 10 hours of distracted work. No multitasking, no switching apps, just pure discipline. Results follow those who can control their attention. Habit 3. 30 minutes learning, 30 minutes thinking. Spend 30 minutes learning something new and 30 minutes understanding yourself. Read, journal, reflect. Your life changes the moment your thinking changes. Habit 4. A daily walk. Movement is therapy. You don't need fancy equipment. You need consistency. A simple daily walk clears your mind, stabilizes your mood, and builds discipline. A strong body creates a strong mind. Habit 5. Dopamine reset hour. You're not addicted to your phone. You're addicted to the dopamine it gives you. Give yourself 1 hour every day with no phone, no reels, no notifications. When your dopamine resets, your focus returns. Habit 6. Only 3 important tasks. People don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they try to do everything in one day. Choose only 3 important tasks. Finish them, stay consistent. Progress belongs to the disciplined. Habit 7. Night reset routine. Your tomorrow starts tonight. Clean your space. Plan your next day. Sleep early. A calm night creates a powerful morning. Outro. Your past doesn't define you. Your habits do. Forget what you didn't do in 2025. Focus on who you can become in 2026. This is your comeback year, and it starts right now.